Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Madhu and Sam Diaries. Today we will prepare baby corn masala curry. This is a special dish which tastes amazing. Let's look into the ingredients list first. 250 grams of baby corn, 1 medium-sized onion, tomato puree extracted from 2 big tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, cashew paste extracted from 1/4 cup of cashews, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 1 spoon cumin seeds, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, half spoon cumin powder, 1 spoon chilli powder, 1/4 spoon garam masala powder, 1 inch butter, 2 spoons of fresh cream, salt, oil, water, kasuri methi leaves, this is optional, and coriander leaves, optional. We have 2 steps in the overall cooking process. Please note that the curry preparation takes its own time and it needs patience. My suggestion is to start with step 1 and after 20 minutes parallelly start step 2 to save some time. Let's look into the recipe now. Step 1. Wash baby corn and cut them into 1 inch pieces. Take a vessel and switch on the stove. Add water, required amount of salt and baby corn to the vessel. Let it boil until the baby corn is 80% cooked. Add water to the vessel in between if required. Take baby corn out of the vessel and switch off the stove. Let it cool down for some time. This step took me around 50 minutes to complete. Step 2. Take a vessel and switch on the stove. Add butter or oil to the vessel and let it heat for few minutes. Once the oil is hot enough, add garam masala items that includes bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Add cumin seeds, chopped green chilies, chopped onions and mix it properly. Let it fry until the onions become transparent. Add ginger garlic paste and let it cook until the raw smell goes off. Now add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chilli powder and garam masala to the vessel and mix it. Add little water and mix it well so that onions nicely blend with the masalas. Add tomato puree, salt and mix the curry. Let it cook until the gravy thickens. At this stage, add cashew paste and water and mix it properly. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame until the gravy is completely cooked. Make sure to mix the curry once in every 2 minutes to avoid burning the bottom of the vessel. This is very important step. Otherwise, the taste will be spoiled. Add more water if required. Once the oil starts leaving the edges, add the boiled baby corn to the vessel and close it with a lid. Again, make sure to open the lid every 2 minutes and mix the curry. Follow this process until the curry is nicely cooked. Once it is all cooked, add butter, cream and mix it till the butter melts. Now add kasuri methi leaves and mix it well. At the end, garnish with coriander leaves. The baby corn masala curry is ready to serve. It tastes great with chapati or rice. This is one of my favorite recipes. Try it and let me know how you feel about it. Thank you.